Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your real estate business using Zapier. If you're tired of repeating the same tasks every day, like moving leads, sending follow-ups, or updating spreadsheets, this full 2026 guide is for you. Let's jump right in. So quickly, what does automation actually mean here? It means connecting your real estate tools so they talk to each other automatically. When a new lead comes in, Zapier can send emails, update your CRM, notify your team, and save data without you touching anything. First, sign into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're inside, click on Create a New Automation. Zapier calls this a Zap. Start by choosing a trigger app. For real estate, this could be a lead form, your website contact form, Facebook, lead ads, or even Gmail. Now comes the automation part. After the trigger, add one or more actions. For example, when a new lead comes in, automatically add them to your CRM, send a welcome email, and save their details in a spreadsheet. You can stack multiple actions in a single zap, which is, where the real magic happens. Before finishing, test your zap. Zapier will simulate a real lead to make sure everything works correctly. If the test passes, turn the automation on, and that's it. From now on, that task runs automatically in the background. And that's how you automate your real estate business with Zapier. Once you set this up, you save hours every week. And honestly, avoid a lot of manual mistakes too. If this guide helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.